Two bills related to one nation, one election listed for introduction in Lok Sabha tomorrow. Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh terming the remark of VPP Chief Arden Miller Basayamoit as very harsh. Preparations underway for Meghalaya Games 2025 in West Janta Hills. And Lok Sabha Speaker 11 wins TB Mukt Bharat Awareness Cricket Match. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah today paid tribute to the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, on his death anniversary. In a social media post, the Prime Minister remarked that the personality and work of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel will continue to be an inspiration for the countrymen, for the unity and integrity of the nation and the achievement of the resolution of a developed India. The government has listed two bills related to one nation, one election for introduction in the Lok Sabha tomorrow. Law Minister Meghalaya will introduce the Constitution 129th Amendment Bill and the Union Territories Law Amendment Bill in the lower house. The proposed constitutional amendment bill would deal with making provisions for holding Lok Sabha and State Legislative Assembly elections together. The High-Level Committee on One Nation, One Election led by former President Ram Nath Kovind had recommended holding simultaneous Lok Sabha and State Assembly polls in the country. Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh took strong exception over the remarks of VPP Chief Arden Miller Basayamoit for criticizing the government for organizing festivals and concerts, calling them mere painkillers. Terming the remark of Basayamoit as very harsh, he said that the tourism sector is one of the crucial sectors which provide livelihood to the people of the state. He said that the recent concert of the rock legend Bryan Adams in Shillong only shows that the people from outside the country are eager to visit the tourism destination of the state.
Kini ki jingkan kilong kiba khamdan ka jingkit kli kilong very irresponsible statement namar ni don da ki jingsisha facts and figures ki bakershan ya ka jing persang jongga sarkar ban optimize ban kentiu ya ka kam sang perthai bat kawai ka ba ngala ban share bat pi hani kalong ba tang na ka wai ka concert ka jong u Bryan Adams kaba ki kita bagi ong tangible benefits ki jing mentoi ki bagi laban yoi.
West Janta Hills District is gearing up to host the Meghalaya Games 2025 with renovation and repair works already in progress at various venues. A new swimming pool is being constructed at Kiang Nangba Government College, while other venues are undergoing unnecessary upgrades. In an exclusive interview, Jowai local MLA and chairman of MUDA highlighted the smooth progression of these improvements, which include roads, electricity and water supply. He also noted that last year's Meghalaya Games in Tura set a high standard which Janta Hills aims to match.
Meghalaya Games kala ya cai nang kini sisni arsni rongala one inspection ya baro ban check ba baro kitu ki jaka ki badai ban pentrai ki la stang ni em ban nga snipmen man yo I ba baro ki jaka ki bal la long ki bal asdang ya ka kam ki la stang ban trai mentah but even ya kini ka ground ga yo I bengi don mentaro actually ki la dai ban sedang no tang ba kadang don kini ka super division mentah ga sngi ka final match te tang sudah mentah ga sngi wat ya kani ro ban repair ya kani ka madan ka bang yeng mentaro kan sedang no.
Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh brushed off criticisms concerning the closure of schools on the day when renowned international star Bryan Adams performed on December 10th. Arguing that it is a human tendency to criticize, he said that those who criticize the closure of schools will also be unhappy if schools are open on the day of the concert where there are 30,000 attendees. He said that the turf protector was brought by the government to protect the football ground during the concert.
Bi hakapor ba kia ut ba ka jingking dam kamlong singan syo kamlong save syo ki ong balai ka sarkar ka skap kumnie kamne ai ban repair ya ka ne ka bridge yo ka jaga ka pas ngosi enda ka sarkar kla khang ye ka bridge na bata ban le ek repair ki ong balai ki khang bangi haban up sa kamne lanungin yo ban cross ye ka ne ka bridge number ba la khang traffic tang siliang te ki jo ki breu hi ki ba ong balai ba khang hi ki school ha ka concert jong Brian Adams kinde ki jo ki breu bala ki play ki school ha ka tugas ngi bat ki khna kim school kim poi sheyeng adu nyo prabaje min mit ki jo hi kin ong ka sarkar be yu kum kani ka ba latip lupa ba kan don gat kani ka show ka ba he adu lai po hajar ngun ubreu tang pha ai ki school ba kin play te ngini ong ayu kata dega human tendency banwat dong.
The Singh Samla Catholic Umsning Parish, in collaboration with the Reboy Area Welfare Association (RAWA), organized a rally and awareness program yesterday in Umsning to raise awareness about drug abuse and HIV/AIDS. The event saw enthusiastic participation from hundreds of local youth. Eddie Kharbani, a prominent leader in the Umsning area, attended the event as the chief guest, accompanied by Rocky Kalla, chairman of Umsning Town Adorbar Shnong, who was the guest of honor among others.
Turakti yodon ne te piala kumbakla hangno re hangno tingas ngo ban ai burom shikat dei pat yakini samla naka kripa foundation ki plakloi ban mi shakmat ban pens ngo yake e kiba maki gilaya yakini gelenti yake e kiba ki gilashem bautau drugs upenjenjar hadu katno.
As an organization looking after waste management for Wintertails, EcoRe founder and proprietor Bankit Nongri observed that the waste generated from the festival can be up to 800 kilos for dry waste and 400 to 500 kilos for wet waste. EcoRe, a startup which was established 3 years ago that recycles plastic waste, turning them into useful products. Bankit stressed on waste management, said that segregation of waste is a very important aspect of waste management. He urged festival goers to drop waste at the designated bins labeled paper.
We recycle plastic waste, as you can see my bag. So we make products out of plastic waste. So the plastic that you throw away, we make products out of it. Segregation, waste, we all talk about waste management. We say waste management is important. We need waste management. But now the problem lies in segregation. Segregation is one of the most important aspects, one of the most important pillars of waste management. Without segregation, waste management will fail.
The battle for the championship titles of the 4th edition of the Reboy League, organized by the Reboy District Sports Association (RBDSA), concluded in grand fashion. The closing ceremony was attended by Nongpo MLA Meralbon's EM as the chief guest. He was accompanied by Nongpo MDC Balaji Rani, RBDSA President RB Shadup and other RBDSA members. In the second division final, Kerdem and Rongdop delivered an exhilarating match. Rongdop emerged victorious in the shootout, claiming the second division title. The first division final saw Mountneng secure a hard-fought victory against Umsait Sning. The match ended with Mountneng winning 1-0, clinching the first division championship.
Final, jong kaneka first division, but ke second division Madagascar, ki bakentuk ya ki players, but kinong Krishan, ki fans, jong ka Mountneng, ki players jong ka Umsait Sning, but kumju ru bahag second division, ki players paginong Krishan jong ka Rongdop, but kumju ru ki players paginong Krishan jong ka Nong Thamai Kerdem. But kamtam ya kinong Krishan ki jong pi ki balawan ki balai Aiman Sim ki balai Risa nadu menne kalong gajing kemen. Tingi ai khubli ki bok ki ruyang ya pi ingai scam bagi tim ki bawan Syakmat kinio ban Q haka super division mo.
Nangba Mulang SC emerged victorious in the Super Division Wukyang Nangba Memorial Trophy, defeating Demtring SC 1-0. This marks the team's second title win, with their first victory dating back to 2016. The tournament, organized by the West Jaintia District Sports Association WJDSA, took place at the Kyang Nangba Stadium. Timmy Rinklem scored the winning goal in the 12th minute, securing Nangba Mulang's triumph. The winning team received a cash prize of Rs 1 lakh, while Demtring SC received Rs 50,000. The prizes were awarded by Wailat Miki Shilla, MLA Jawai and Chairman of MUDA. On the same day, two referees, Bulmi Pawa and Sebastian Sutting, were honored for their achievements. The Lok Sabha Speaker 11 today won against the Rajya Sabha Chairman 11 in the TB Mukt Bharat Awareness Cricket match at the Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium in New Delhi today. The friendly cricket match featured members of parliaments across political parties. The cricket match was aimed at raising awareness and advocating for a tuberculosis-free country. The Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla attended the inaugural session as the chief guest in the 20-over match. The Lok Sabha Speaker 11 was led by former Union Minister and Hamirpur Lok Sabha MP Anurag Singh Thakur, while the Rajya Sabha Chairman 11 was led by Union Minister Kiran Rijiju. And now the weather report. First, let us take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 12 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 21 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 77%. Forecast in Tura, dry weather is likely to occur at most places. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 7.5 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 21.8 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 41%, and the forecast in Shillong, dry weather is likely to occur at most places. Meanwhile, in Jawai, minimum temperature 4 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 18 degrees Celsius, and the relative humidity is 69%, and the forecast says dry weather is likely to occur at most places. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah paid tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on his death anniversary. Two bills related to one nation, one election listed for introduction in Lok Sabha tomorrow. Tourism Minister Paul Lingdot terming the remark of VPP Chief Arden Miller Basayamot as very harsh. Preparations underway for Meghalaya Games 2025 in West Jaintia Hills. And Lok Sabha Speaker 11 wins TB Mukt Bharat Awareness Cricket match. And that's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and good night.